From culinary critique to crunchy triumph, the unexpected genesis of potato chip. In the tapestry of gastronomic evolution, some culinary treasures emerge not from carefully planned recipes, but from the unexpected twists of discontent. Such is the case with the beloved potato chip, a snack that found its roots in an unforeseen complaint uttered by a disgruntled customer in a quaint 19th century restaurant. Imagine the scene, a diner eagerly anticipating a plate of fried potatoes, only to be met with disappointment at the thickness of the slices. Rather than dismissing the critique, the chef on duty saw an opportunity for culinary innovation. With a dash of creativity and a desire to turn a negative into a positive, the chef transformed the thick potato slices into a crispy revelation that would soon become a global sensation: the potato chip. Slicing the potatoes with surgical precision and frying them to a perfect crisp, the chef inadvertently gave birth to a snack that transcended its humble origins. The thin, golden crisps not only appeased the dissatisfied customer, but captivated the taste buds of all fortunate enough to experience this unexpected culinary metamorphosis. What began as a remedy for a culinary complaint quickly turned into a sensation within the restaurant and beyond. The newfound snack's popularity spread like wildfire, marking the inception of a crunchy revolution that would redefine the world of snacks. The potato chip, born from an unforeseen critique, soon ingrained itself in the collective palate of people worldwide. As word of this crispy delight spread, other establishments sought to replicate the process, catapulting the potato chip into the annals of snack history. Over the years, the potato chip has undergone a myriad of transformations. From the classic simplicity of salted varieties to an array of creative flavors, the chip aisle in grocery stores stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of this accidental culinary marvel. Whether paired with a sandwich, enjoyed during a movie night, or savored at a picnic, the potato chip has become a go-to snack for countless occasions. In the end, the dissatisfied customer's critique, far from being a culinary setback, led to the creation of a timeless snack that continues to bring joy and satisfaction to millions. The potato chip's journey from a moment of dissatisfaction to a global snack phenomenon serves as a delicious reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary culinary inventions emerge from the unlikeliest of origins.